Hello everyone. Today we're going to send a discussion about the cooperation of PMBoK and Princess 2, and the discussion will be divided into four parts: introduction, the introduce of PMBoK and Princess 2, the cooperation, and the conclusion. First of all, let's start with introduction with project management situations. From time to time, there is an increasing demand for project management qualifications and certifications across several major industries. In 2017, the number of people who has a project management certification is around 774,000, and it is found that 30% of the global economy is project-based. And for today's leaders in the company, so they both need to learn the management knowledge and the project management skills. But coins have two sides. We have to face something that is not that good in the industry. Actually, there are 80% of projects that failed in Australia to achieve their initial plan goals, and furthermore, it's about 30% projects were cut before the project finished. And on average, projects that have not have nearly 3 times against the original budget and schedule. And at last, a project can only deliver 30% of the original scope. So yeah, it's a little bit hard for the project management people today. So now I would like to introduce two methodologies of today's project management, the PMBoK and Princess 2. Okay, so in 1980s, the Project Management Institute provides a series of professional certificates based on the standards set out its project management body of knowledge. And after the PMBoK guide was published, it consists of lots of descriptions of tools, techniques, and the process, which actually refers to their publication, a guide to the project management body of knowledge. And at the same time, Princess was first developed by the CCTA in 1989 as a structured method of the effective project management. Princess is designed to address various kind of project in order to ensure the article objective and systematic of the article. Okay, so for the PMBoK, as we have mentioned, the PMBoK was created by the Project Management Institute, which aims to build a set of management principles in project management. As a guide of how to fulfill a successful project, the PMBoK consists of 9 main parts, which can be broken down into 47 different processes and 5 stages process a group of the project life cycle. And for Princess 2, it's more like the experts collect thousands of project management experience and data from numbers of organizations, sponsors, trainers, managers, and consultants. The CCTA has finally tried to work out a new method of project management called project in controlled environments. From the initial stage of development, Princess was created based on another method which was targeted to deal with government projects. In 1996, as a placement of higher level method, Princess 2 was officially launched and published. Okay, so let's come to the cooperation part. As we know, the PMBoK have identified 5 process groups, which are initialing, planning, executing, monitoring and control, and finally closing. On the other hand, Process 2 has 7 main processes, which are starting process, directing, managing stage boundaries, initial project, managing product delivery, planning, controlling stage, and closing project. So the relations between all of these two knowledges are, yes, as we can see directly from picture. And okay, so let's come to the, yes, PMBoK was more focused on the procurement, earned volume management, time management, communication management, and HR management knowledge. On the contrary, Princess 2 provides focus on business case, project assurance, project modeling, defining roles and responsibilities, and exception management. Okay, to sum up, we can see that it is clear identifying the difference, strengths, and weaknesses of the methodology. Based on the discussion, it is easy to find that PMBoK will help to manage projects by providing a comprehensive approach with detailed techniques. It also focuses on procurement management and customer requirements. PMBoK has a better feature with interpersonal skills. On the contrary, Princess 2 provides more particularly approach and more value on project board activities, management by exception, and products. So according to discussion of two methodologies from different level of detail and in different perspectives, the Princess 2 is better for the small size project, whereas PMBoK is preferable for the IT project with high clean comments, large and complex project terms, high level of outsourcing, comprehensive contract, and high level of stakeholders engagement.